Hello traders, I wanted to discuss something completely different today and discuss 3 key traits I saw in institutional traders without which I don't think it's possible to be a successful trader. Now, when I worked at some of the world's leading trading institutions such as Barclays Investment Bank, I literally sat inches away from some of the very best traders in the world. The sorts of traders you read about in Jack Schwager's excellent book, Market Wizards. So I feel I'm best placed to share some of these traits with you. I'm going to go in reverse order. So in this video, I'm going to talk about trait number 3 only, as it's such a crucial trait. And in the next video, I'll move on to number 2. So let's do this. So trait number 3 that I saw in all successful institutional traders was keeping a routine. I hear so many people say, I don't want to be stuck in a routine at work. I want every day to be different and so on. People are naturally built to look for excitement, right? We get bored easily. You know, if you went and asked 100 people why they want to become a trader, 99 will say it's to get out of their boring routine at work. You can kind of see why most fail at trading, because the problem is successful trading is boring, incredibly boring, almost like watching paint dry. It's probably more routine than the most routine job you can ever imagine. So, you know, if you're the type of person looking to get out of a work routine or who gets agitated easily doing the same thing day in, day out, well, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but trading is probably not the right fit for you. What I found is that the very best institutional traders are routine masters, right? They turn up at their desk at the same time every day without fail, no excuses. Now, that doesn't mean you have to sit at your desk for 12 hours a day from 6 in the morning till 6 in the evening. But what it does mean, however, is that say your trading hours are 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. every day, you know, 2 hours a day, which is what I trade these days, as most of you know, the New York Open. What it means is I am at my desk at 1:59 every day without fail, almost to the point that if I'm even 2 minutes late, I will not trade, as I know my preparation won't be optimal. I'll skip the trading day and come back tomorrow. That's my punishment for not taking it seriously enough and turning up on time. I saw this firsthand when I worked at an investment bank. If guys were late, even a few minutes, it would throw them completely off their game. So the very best guys, 5 days a week, 52 weeks a year, were at their desk at the exact same time, day in, day out, no exceptions. If they were even a few minutes late, they knew they were already going to be on the back foot that day. So that's my suggestion. Pick a time to trade every day. It can be 9 a.m, it can be 2 p.m, it could even be 11 p.m. But no matter what you do, make that your routine. If you can't, skip that session. Don't go into a session ill-prepared or late. If you're not decisive and disciplined about your trading hours, then you're not going to be able to be decisive and disciplined when it comes to entering the market. Now, the final point I want to make is this. Have you noticed how a lot of these retail educators love to show off their lavish lifestyles, fast cars, and so on? Can you now see one of the major reasons people fall for all that rubbish? Remember how I said earlier that 99 out of 100 people want to trade to get out of a routine at work? Well, retail educators know this and entice you with these visions and goals that fit what you're looking for. You know, if I tell you trading is one of the most boring or routine things you'll ever do, and some other guy tells you that trading is exciting, you can do as you please, trade from anywhere and pick your hours and drive around in a fancy car, basically break free from your normal work routine, who are you going to listen to? Obviously the person promising you all those things, because that's what you want to hear. The irony is, by following that path, you're going to end up worse than when you started, because trading is none of those things. The one person out of the 100 who sees through that BS and realizes that trading isn't going to remove their current routine, in fact, it might even make it worse or even more boring, that's the one person who succeeds. They're doing this for the right reasons, for their love of financial markets. Now, if you like this content and you're ready to beat the retail BS, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking this button. And if you want to learn more about order flow trading and the way institutions trade, check out this video, Order Flow Trading Basics. The video showing trait number 2 will be along shortly. Have a great week.